It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, auto-dimming mirrors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.